Good morning to all. Class will be conducted by first class student. Sanities, attention. Sanities, attention. Sanities, attention. Join your hands and close your eyes. Oh God, you are the truth and light in our for knowledge. Bless our studies, which we content to you, and light in our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our ways towards what is right, when there should be, should always, and make us to live us. Pledge, India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very high tips I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals, to my country and my people, and pledge my devotion when there will be and prosperity. Along last my happiness. Sanity start for the day. Lost time is never found again. I repeat it again. Lost time is never found again. Yesterday's question: where is the Republic Day parade held in India? Today's Today's question: which is the highest dam in India? Repeat it again. Which is the highest dam in India? Conversation date 22. Friend. Hi friend. Hello dear. How are you? I am doing well. Where did you went in Sankranti holidays? I went to my grandma's house. What did you do there? I was busy in flying the kites. What about you? I celebrated the festival in my house. That's great. Okay, bye. Bye. See you later. Today's topic is about brushing your teeth. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth every morning and night. Thank you.